just now realized that it kind of sounds like a chicken. Here's what I got when I try to do my first turbo flutter. So here I go. Hello guys, my name is Ricker and today I'm going to be showing